Hello everyone, myself Rohitas Vajangir, lecturer in chemistry. Today we are going to learn about a normal introduction in total chapter of a chemistry. Total number of chapter in chemistry 17. Total number of a chapter in chemistry 17. Chapter number first, solid state. Chapter number second, solution. Chapter number third, electrochemistry. Chapter number 4, chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics. Chapter number 5, surface chemistry. Chapter number 6, metallurgy. Metallurgy. Chapter number 7, P block elements. P block elements. Chapter number 8, D and F block elements. Chapter number 9, coordination compound. Coordination compound. Chapter number 10, halogen derivatives. Halogen derivatives. Chapter number 11, oxygen containing compound first. Oxygen containing compound first means compound have oxygen element are present. Oxygen, hydrogen both are present in oxygen containing compound first. It means alcohol, phenol and ether. Chapter number 12, oxygen containing compound second. It means these compounds have also present oxygen element, but these compounds are aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. Chapter number 12. Chapter number 3, nitrogen containing compound. Nitrogen containing compound. And nitrogen containing compound have nitrogen element present, and these compound are amine, aniline, cyanide, urea and nitro compound. Nitro compound. Chapter number 14, biomolecules. Biomolecules. Chapter number 15, polymer. Chapter number 16, stereochemistry. Stereochemistry. And chapter number 17, last chapter, and name is chemistry in everyday life. Chemistry in everyday life. So total number of chapter in chemistry 17. Now marks distribute for each chapter. Maximum marks in the name of a lesson. Solid state 3 marks. Solution also 3. Electrochemistry 4. Chemical kinetics 4. Surface chemistry 4. Metallurgy 2. P block elements 4. D and A block element 3. Next chapter, coordinate compound 3. Halogen derivative 4. Oxygen containing compound first also 4. Aldehyde, phenol, ether marks 4. Now oxygen containing compound second, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid marks 3. Nitrogen containing compound also 3. Biomolecules 3. Polymer 3. Stereochemistry 3. Chemistry in everyday life also 3 marks. Total number of marks 56. 30 marks of practical, 30 marks practical and 14 marks of a sessional marks. Then total 100. It's a syllabus of chemistry. 56 theory, 30 practical and 14 sessional marks. 100. Today we are going to learn in organic chemistry chapter oxygen containing compound first. Chapter number 11 and name of chapter is oxygen containing compound first, like alcohol, phenol and ether. Okay, so we will start the chapter 11, chapter number 11 and name of this chapter is oxygen containing compound first. Oxygen containing compound first. Alcohol, phenol and ether. Alcohol, phenol and ether. This chapter start in next class. Now already we know about the chapter. Total number of chapter in chemistry 17. 9 chapter are distributed in inorganic chemistry and remaining 8 chapter in organic chemistry. In next class we will study about the oxygen containing compound first, alcohol, phenol and ether. Okay बेटा, next class में देखते हैं इस chapter को.